the Polygon tool. To access the Polygon tool, go again to this window and you see right here Polygon tool. Click on it and then just simply click and drag to create the polygon. Now I'm just going to center this polygon right here using the align options, and now it's perfectly aligned. You can also increase the roundness of this polygon until it transforms into a circle. But since we do not need a circle, I'm just going to undo that by pressing Ctrl or Command Z on my keyboard. But let's add another polygon. This time let's transform the amount of sides. So let's select the polygon, click on your artboard and then put in your preferred amount of slides. I will go with the number 15. Now I will start creating another polygon. This time with only 10 sides. Let's reposition this one. Now I will create another polygon, but this time I will transform it into a triangle by changing the sides to 3. And as you can see, we now have created a triangle. And even on the triangle you can adjust the roundness of the corners. I've talked before about the differences within the triangle made using the star tool versus using the polygon tool. But just to show you the difference, let's place them next to each other. Now there might not be any visible differences, but if we were going to switch to the direct selection tool, we can see that the star triangle got 3 additional anchor points, which in some cases should be useful, but in general you should be okay using the polygon tool to create a triangle.